Hey guys, Matt and Laura here. Matt's playing Pokemon, I'm looking at flowers. We're currently at Kings Park and it is spring, so all the flowers have bloomed, so I've decided to take you along and go show you what you'd see in Perth wildflower season. Secretly, we're just learning what plants we'd like to buy from the nursery and seeing what they look like when they're all in bloom. It's so pretty. Maddie, is that like a giant egg? Right in front of you. It's like a artwork.
Probably.
Yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to be like an artwork of an egg. That's weird. Surrounded by flowers. Yeah, down here.
They're weeds.
They're not weeds.
Yeah, they are.
They're everlasting.
Yeah, everlasting weeds.
Everlasting flowers. In case anyone's wondering why these are called everlastings, these are the type of flowers that you can like press in a book, dry them out, and they will literally last and keep their colour.
Liar.
They will, because their little petals are almost like paper.
They're the weeds you can't get rid of.
They are not. It's like paper. Oh no, I knotted that one up. There you go. There's a cute little bee going in for some lunch. Whoa! Selfie!
Those two big ones, medium-sized ones are the mummies.
We're at the beach. Not swimming though. I did, however, fly the drone and I really got some cool footage. Come out for a little wander. There is a geocache I'd like to find. Ooh, wildflowers. Clue says stay close to the wall that divides the two footpaths. There is a pole. You never know. You never know. It could be in it.
Damn it.
It's Desiree. So we left geocaching. We ended up coming strawberry picking. Matt is all the way at the other end of the field. I found this many so far. And the flowers. My strawberries, Matt's strawberries. We have been having a good time picking these strawberries. I tell you what, it's hard work. I was thinking, like, no wonder why they just get people to pick them themselves, because having to do this every day for work, like, it's that repetitive, like, oh yeah, I got the right strawberry, and then you pick it and it's like munted.
Like that one.
Yeah, that one. I'll just eat it though. Bucket. Eat a bucket. week later, we're back. Currently on a helipad landing thingamajigs. We're looking for a geocache that Matt and I have tried looking for before. Sorry about the wind. Maybe the helicopter blew away. So I've tried looking for this cache a few times. Every time we've come past, the helicopter has been like in the spot, and it's kind of like it gets closed to the public when the helicopter's there. Is that it? Yeah, I see it. There's plastic in there. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so tiny. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I'm going to leave you here with a little video of me rescuing a turtle.
There is a long-necked turtle.
Take care, bye.
And Willy Wags, I mean, what am I talking about? Naughty magpies. There's a few. Stay away from the road. We got it from the road. It did decide to go the long way all the way through the bush. We're almost at the park. After the park is the lake. Alright, we've made it halfway across the playground. I'm still going to walk behind it and kind of scare it a little bit to kind of encourage it to keep going. Otherwise, yes, the little bugger's going to go back to the road. Okay, we're back on grass now. We're almost there. You can do it, little man or girl. I have no idea what you are. You made it. Yes! Into the water. Go find your friends.